A car worth £250,000 deserves the best security, and that's the IMMO pin code immobiliser. Book yours now.
Brand new Bentley Bentayga in for the IMMO pin to drive immobiliser. In your pack you'll get emergency override card. This is a emergency override code which you can enter if a button fails and you can't enter your code. This gets you out of trouble. You can also use a Bluetooth tag and pair a mobile phone. So this one has got gearbox lock, so you can start the vehicle, but you cannot select gear. Stays locked in park, gives you 0 errors. There's not many people in the UK can give you this immobilisation with 0 errors on these cars, but we can achieve it with a Bentayga. So what you do is you enter your code. So enter a basic demo code, flash there of the hazards. Now we can select gear, back into park, and when we switch it off, open the door, this will automatically rearm. So it doesn't actually arm to you, open the door for convenience, so we could start and drive off again, but as soon as you get out of the vehicle, rearms, and now you're fully protected.